Hey, it's Clay. In this video chart on Bitcoin, we will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, Sunday afternoon, for example, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, there's really two main levels. Well, I'm lying. There's three main levels that I would say to watch going forward. And the first level is where the price, as of the recording of this video, is knocking on the door of, and that is this 8,500 mark right there. So question number one you need to ask yourself, unless, again, we'll go with Sunday afternoon. So if you're watching this Sunday afternoon, ask yourself, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 8,500? If you're answering the question that the price is up above that level, well, then that means that this current struggle has finally been broken in the bull's favor. Because as of right now, that level, which I've talked about in past videos as being an area of resistance, is indeed acting as resistance. So it goes to show there the power of charts. But that's going to be the first indicator on whether or not this bounce has any sort of further strength in it. Because, yeah, you got to give credit where credit's due. From where the price was to where the price ultimately worked its way all the way up there, that's been a nice bounce. But now, like I said, the question just becomes, can the price build some more strength? And build some more strength being defined as getting up here above 8,500. So watch that level in the very near term. If you are answering the question that the price is above that level, the next key level you're going to want to take note of is that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average, which is right around 86.40. And if you're answering the question that, well, yeah, Clay, not only is the price above 8,500, it's also above 86.40. That would be telling you at that point that the weekend has been going very, very well for the bulls. So that is how you would answer those questions. First question obviously has got to just be, the first answer to the question has got to be that the price is up above 8,500, and then that's where you would want to focus on the 50-period moving average. Now, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, actually the price is still down below the 8,500 number when I'm watching this video. Then the next immediate question you need to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 8,200? Which is right where the price has bounced off of. So a nice example there of, the support holding strong. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 8,200, at that point, it's just a question, okay, well, how far down below it? If the price is slightly below it, don't get me wrong, that's not really a good thing. But if the price is down at 7,500, well, that would just be telling you that the bears are having themselves a very nice weekend. And then finally, if you're saying, well, Clay, actually the price is just between these two levels, so the price is somewhere in here, well, then at that point, one word could be used to summarize that movement, and that would just be consolidation. So we'll see what happens with it over the weekend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.